Have you ever wondered how seemingly mundane sounds could revolutionize sleep? In 2011, a small team of researchers at a Japanese university embarked on an unusual study to explore the effects of white noise and its potential for inducing sleep. They meticulously recorded the sounds of gentle rain, rustling leaves, and distant thunder, blending them into a seamless audio track. The result was astonishing. Participants reported falling asleep 30% faster and experiencing deeper, more restorative sleep. This pioneering study quietly laid the groundwork for the now booming industry of sleep-inducing content, proving that sometimes, the key to unlocking profound rest lies in the simplest of sounds.